prison. I too sick, man, I gonna need a medic. Obviously a fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that I'm my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not out the app. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at actually a new account. This is a funding PEPE challenge account, so it's actually on phase 2. I only have to pass one more phase to get funded on this account. The skill funded traders account. If you follow it on social media, you'll see that skill funded traders has temporarily ceased all operations. So everyone that had funded with this company, everyone that had accounts, everyone that had payouts, basically turned to nothing. The company basically just stopped and went about their business. On Thursday, I didn't really make any trades. It was a day before a holiday, so I didn't expect there to be much good price action. You can see it was very range bound, and this is what the market generally does when you have days where people just aren't trading. It just becomes a trap unless you're probably on a lower time frame and catching these moves. But if you don't catch a move like this, you're gonna get damaged, because as you can see, this was 9:30 and this was 10. So you'd have been brought down here, came right back up, wicked out up here, or something weird. So let's just actually get into my trades from today. So I was trading today's candle. I didn't trade yesterday. I was expecting it to trade more like a holiday, because technically it was a holiday, but the futures market was still open. So let's actually go to NAS100 here, Pepperstone. So hopefully this should match what was going on. So you can see that some parts of the market seem to trade on Monday. I could have traded, but I just didn't really pay attention to that. Today was mainly a sell. What sucks about this is that I kept getting stopped out yesterday, even though I was right on the direction. So you can see I had two sells. I got stopped out yesterday on the sell that I was trying to carry into today, and then I got stopped out on the sell that I entered today. One was a $17 loss, one was a $20 loss. It's funny, with such a long weekend, you tend to lose the momentum, and it feels funny trying to get back into the rhythm of trading. Like you just don't feel like yourself. So this one I entered on the 845 candle, and what was my entry at 8277.55. Then my stop loss was 18290, 290.05, and that one was a loss of 17.5. So where did I enter? Oh my gosh, 845. I hate this. This is not showing me accurately any of the prices. 845 on Monday. Bro, I hate this. 277. Okay, 845. Was that 277? 277. Okay, looks like the FXCM will match it up better. So at 845, you go to 18277. I want to see if it matches exactly what this chart is printing here. So 18, or even close, like within the range. So okay, this actually works perfect. So I entered on the 845 and got stopped out. Where this is saying on the 1029, 1029, so that would have been 10. It's saying I got stopped out on this. I mean, this is showing a little difference, but it's saying I essentially got stopped out on the 10-15 candle. If you're looking on the 15-minute chart, this one was a loss of 1750. Even if I didn't get stopped out here, I would have gotten stopped out many other times before this dump. I mean, when I woke up, this was 4:30 when I woke up at around 6:30, that would have been a nice time to take another sell side down. But I typically don't enter around that time. I typically go for a 10 a.m. where you can see that this wouldn't have been a bad time to enter to continue the short, because today was a sell side day. So that one I entered there. Let's move to the 10 o'clock now. Can I spot the 10 o'clock? Yeah, it's somewhere down here. So I entered at 10:10 at 18,048 for a $25 loss, so 18,048.25. Then I got stopped out at 18,062.75. And I actually got stopped out on the same candle. I didn't even make it to the next candle. And the market didn't go down after that. It was just it started to break up after that. So this one was a loss of 20.30. Let's get into my watch list stock. So we didn't have any market day yesterday, right? I didn't consider it a market day. So I'm gonna be tracking the stock starting from today. The stocks and the instruments. So let's look at Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is actually a bit lower at 65,908. It's funny how it can range. It was at 72 on March 11. Now we're on April 2nd at 65,908. Tesla, I think it would sell off at the rest of the market. Exactly 166. The majority of the market had a sell off today. IMMR 7.28. So not a strong sell off, but still sell off nonetheless. Bitfarms, I think, go lower than 2 now. Nah, it's finding that weird it's doing that no liquidity dance now. There's nobody trading this. Wow, there's really nobody trading this. Nvidia sell off, I think 800s. Yep, 892. AMD, I think you might get a little sell off to 163, 178. So AMD has been in a range holding up. Nobody's touching AMD. Nobody's selling. Nobody's doing nothing. SMCI, I'm pretty sure SMCI is going to get a sell off with the market. It moves with the market, but barely got any sell off, to be honest. 1005. So it barely moved down, similar to Nvidia. And let's just write like it's a narration of what I'm seeing. Bitcoin is much lower. The overall market is much lower. Let's put that. Overall market lower. Bitcoin lower. Tesla lower. IMR same. Bitfarm same. No liquidity. Nvidia lower. MD nothing. SMCI nothing. Very interesting. That's basically it. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I'll be doing my journaling from this Funding Pips account. You can see what I like about this account, it gives you a lot of, it shows you a lot. So right, you can see actually my PNL on the day is minus 37.8. You can see my biggest win was 217. My biggest loss is 54. So that's what, 1 to 5, 1 to 4, a little bit over 4. You can see some what has been happening here. I had a result of 37 was a loss, 66 was a loss, 86 loss, 73 loss, 128 wins, 70 wins, 64 loss, 62. So I'm gonna be making some more profits as we get back into the rhythm. It's funny, so much things kick you out of rhythm, man. So many distractions, weekends, this, that, all kind of BS. But I'll see you in the next one. I'm putting in the studying, done the other course. I just need to do the exam. I'm going to be locking into another course, another trading course, and get profitable before the end of summer. I'm guaranteeing you it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Consistency, dog.